MSc सेकंड सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन 24-25 फिजिक्स पेपर सेकंड स्टैटिकल मैकेनिक्स मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 14। What is entropy of mixing? On which factor does it depend? Or explain foundation of statistical mechanism. Unit second. What is a binomial distribution and what are its key assumptions? Or what is the partition function? Why is it important in calculating thermodynamic properties of a system? Unit third. What is the density of state in statistical mechanism? Explain. Or what is Bose-Einstein condensation and under what condition does it occur? Unit 4. What is first order phase transition? Explain. Or what are the main difference in behavior of the Ising model in 1, 2 and 3 dimensions? Unit 5. What is bromine motion and what causes its? Or what is Langevin equation and physical process? Section B. Long answer type question. Unit first. Two ideal gas with number of particles N1 and N2 occupying volume V1 and V2 respectively are allowed to mix while removing a particle between them at the some temperature. Derive the expression for the change in total entropy due to mixing, entropy of mixing. Or state and prove Liouville's theorem in statistical mechanism. Explain its physical signification in the context of phase space. Unit second. Derive the Poisson distribution as a limiting case of binomial distribution when the number of trials n to infinity, the success probability p to 0 but the product lambda is equal to np remains infinite. Calculate the mean and variance of the Poisson distribution. Or establish the relation between partition function and thermodynamics quantities. Unit third. State the assumption of Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. Derive the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law for the speed of particle in an ideal gas. Or explain Bose-Einstein statistics and find out its distribution function. Unit 4. Explain the characteristics of a second order phase transition. Discuss the concept of critical exponents and continuous change in order parameter with example. Describe the Ising model for a system of spin on a lattice. Explain the overview on 1, 2D and 3D Ising model. Unit 5. Using the Fermi-Dirac distribution function, calculate the probability that an energy state E is equal to 1.1 F is occupying at a temperature T is equal to 300 Kelvin, where E F is Fermi energy taken value take Boltzmann constant K is equal to 8.6177 into 10 minus 10 की power 5 EV upon K. Also explain the behavior of the distribution at T is equal to 0 Kelvin and T greater than 0 Kelvin. Using Langevin theory, derive the expression for the mean square displacement of a Boltzmann particle. Discuss how this relates to diffusion and the fluxion dispersion theorem. Subscribe, like, share.